Satya Nadella is ruthlessly dismantling Microsoft's legacy stack to bet everything on a generative future. This profile traces how he moved from cloud stability to aggressive AI dominance, through the OpenAI partnership, Copilot everywhere, and a platform pivot toward autonomous agents. The strategic bet prioritizes raw computing power and rapid integration, securing a trillion-dollar narrative while reshaping enterprise software globally. Education only, not investment advice. Before the AI headlines, Nadella fixed Microsoft's engine. Taking over in 2014, he replaced a devices and Windows obsession with growth mindset and cloud-first execution. Azure became the #2 public cloud, winning enterprise workloads through Office 365 bundling, hybrid deals, and developer trust. That recurring revenue base is what funds today's AI capex. Without Azure's scale, the OpenAI bet would be impossible. The generative pivot began with a partnership that looked risky in 2019 and inevitable after ChatGPT. Microsoft invested billions in OpenAI and secured Azure as its exclusive cloud, training and inference at hyperscale. When ChatGPT went viral in November 2022, Nadella moved faster than any legacy CEO, embedding Copilot into Bing, Office, Windows, GitHub, and Dynamics within months. The bet: own the distribution layer even if models are shared. Nadella's build keynotes describe a structural break, from a few vertically integrated apps to an open, scalable agentic web. That means open-sourcing Copilot inside VS Code, pushing autonomous coding agents, and turning Microsoft 365 into an agent factory with Copilot Studio. Legacy revenue lines, Windows licenses, on-prem servers, still exist, but capital and talent flow to AI infrastructure first. It is a platform rewrite happening in public. Azure AI Foundry is Nadella's answer to fragmented AI tooling, one platform where enterprises pick models, connect data, and deploy agents with governance. At Build 2025 he showcased Foundry Local and Windows AI Foundry, pushing inference to the edge, not just the cloud. The message to CIOs: you do not need to choose between safety and speed. Microsoft will host, fine-tune, and route models inside your compliance boundary. The Build 2025 keynote, nearly 2 hours, is Nadella's manifesto. Middle act segments show Azure AI Foundry demos, Sam Altman discussing model roadmaps, and even Elon Musk on Grok coming to Azure. Kevin Scott frames the open agentic web, developers publishing agents that call tools, APIs, and each other. This is not a feature launch, it is an attempt to define the next internet architecture before Google or Amazon does. At Build 2026 Nadella sat with NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang to declare unmetered intelligence, AI that runs locally without metered cloud tokens. RTX Spark puts a petaflop-class superchip in laptops and small desktops, letting autonomous agents code, research, and generate on-device. The PC stops being a passive tool and becomes infrastructure for always-on personal agents, extending Microsoft's AI surface from data center to desk. For the global economy, Nadella's pivot reshapes how software is priced and how capital flows. Microsoft sits among the world's most valuable companies because investors treat Azure plus Copilot as an AI toll booth. Every enterprise AI deployment routes through its stack. Capex surges for GPUs and data centers ripple to NVIDIA, memory makers, and power utilities. Risks remain: OpenAI dependency, antitrust unbundling, and whether AI seat upgrades justify the hype. But the strategic direction is set. Cloud was Chapter 1, generative AI is Chapter 2. Recap: Satya Nadella took Microsoft from cloud stability to generative AI domination through the OpenAI bet, Copilot integration, Azure AI Foundry, and the agentic web vision. Comment who we should profile next: Jensen Huang, Sam Altman, or Sundar Pichai. Subscribe to TwoMinFinance for finance legends. Education only, not a recommendation to buy or sell Microsoft stock.